Hey guys, this is Tam Dang here. Welcome to the training. On this video, I want to share with you guys a really cool tool. It's called Twitter Feed. Now, what Twitter Feed does, it helps automate your posting to your followers on your Twitter account, on your Facebook account, on your LinkedIn account. And you can select the time, you can select how many in a day, you can select a certain type of keyword, a certain type of subject to post to your followers as well. It's really cool. So let me just take you through a quick overview of what the tool does, and then I'm going to break into the little parts and details, how to set it up and how to use this tool. Right, so first of all, let's go into my Twitter account, and as you can see here, these tweets on the side here from people I follow. And as you can see there, I'm following like over 5,000 people, so there's a lot of tweets every day. And how do you, as a person who, amongst the 5,000 people, to get my attention, you need to be posting a lot of content every day, right? You need to be, every time I log on onto Twitter, you better be there, like this guy here. You better be there posting. And throughout the day, I mean, my recommendation is post 4 times a day, okay? And so, but the thing is, you're busy. You're an internet marketer. You don't have the time to come in here and post all the time, right? It's not really making you any money. Twitter is for syndication. If you've got a blog post and you want people to come and read your stuff, that's when you post something to Twitter. You treat the Twitter followers, just like the list that you have with your autoresponder account. You provide them with massive value, okay? And you got to stay engaged. And one way to keep doing that without having to be here is to automate the process. So as you can see over here, I've got over 7,000 tweets that I've sent out to people already. Amongst this mix of automation, right? I send out tweets that gets people to go to my website, my blog, right? So I've got that one there, and and I send them stuff like all cool internet marketing stuff, all internet marketing related stuff. There's lead generation there. This is email marketing there. This is probably another one of my keywords here, online marketing. So anything that's new related to these subjects will be sent out to my Twitter account. And amongst, and again, amongst, let me have a look, amongst all these stuff, right? I'm just sending them out there to keep people engaged with me. Amongst these stuff, I sent out, my stuff as well. I can't find them. Internet marketing. Here we go. So yeah, amongst these stuff, I send out, tweets that'll get people back to my blog to read my stuff, as you can see there. So, yeah, so let's get right into it. How do you set something like this up? Okay. Now, keep in mind that I set these automation up to keep the engagement going, but I do come in here manually to talk to my people as well. Okay, so I don't leave it on automation all by itself, because really what social marketing is, what internet marketing is as a whole, is engaged marketing. So you really got to engage with people, keep people engaged. You got to get social. Okay, so if you automate everything, I mean, you're defeating the purpose. But you do want to automate a little bit of stuff. Okay, so this is Twitter Feed. This is the tool that's gonna help you automate some of your posts. Okay, so if you don't have an account, just go ahead and click sign up. Okay, I've already got an account, so I'm just gonna go ahead and log in. It's very easy to sign up. It just takes like, I don't know, like 2 minutes. It's very simple. Okay, so once you're inside, you won't see all these cool stuff here like I have. There'll probably be nothing there at the moment. And what you want to do, first of all, is click this button here that says Create New Feed. So go ahead and click that now. And then here you want to type in your keyword. So for this example, I'm going to create something like, let's say, empower. I'll do Empower Network. Okay, cool. And then in this section here, you want to put an RSS feed into here. Okay, this is where Twitter feed is going to be able to get content from. Okay, now you can do this a number of ways. You can go to like other people's website, for example, Toby and Layla's website, and then you can like you can copy this link here, and then you can take this link back here and you can post it there, right? And let me just test that for a second. And then what it does is every time Toby and Layla create a post, that post will be shrink down into a mini like Twitter post that Twitter feed will post onto your Twitter to your Twitter followers. And so, but it depends. You want to do that. It depends on what you're trying to achieve. What kind of content you want to send to your list. Okay, so I don't do that purely because that's Toby and Layla's stuff. What I do though, I wanna bring up some really cool stuff for my list. So this is what I do, right? Go to Google Alerts. If you just go to Google and search for Google. What am I doing? Google Alert. The first thing that comes up is the Google Alert. So what Google Alert is that you can set the feed up in Google Alert so that what happens is every time a certain content comes up relating to your keyword, Google will notify you by email or by an RSS feed. Okay, very simple. So here I want to do Empower Network again. Okay, this is my keyword, Empower Network, and keep the results to everything, or you can select, news only or blog only. Yeah, it's up to you. And then you can do once a day or as it happens. Okay, I like to select as it happens. So every time it happens, every time there's a new post or a new blog or whatever that comes up that's got to do with Empower Network, I get notified through my email or my RSS feed. So I select here RSS feed and only the best or all results. So I select all results. It doesn't really matter. And I select create feed. Cool. So here I've got the Empower Network feed. So what I do is, I think this is the one here, all results. So what I want to do is right click that, copy link location, go back here and post it there, test that. Okay, so everything is good. When you see that okay, you're good to go, right? So before you go to step 2, under advanced settings here, you can do some really cool stuff. So you can select how often you want Twitter feed to post onto your Twitter account. So every 30 minutes or 6 hours, or 24 hours. I select 24 hours because I've already got a lot of different things already posted. I don't want to post too many times in a day. I don't want to bombard my followers with a lot of content. A lot of people are going to stop following me, right? So I want to sort of spread the content out 4 in a day, but spread out wide, okay? So here I can select the amount of posts I can post at a time. So 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, that's too much. I just do 1, okay, every 24 hours. And you can select here, you can how you want those posts to be posted. Title only, description only, title and description. I like that. And here you get to select your short URL. This is good to keep track of your stuff. I select Bitly. I mean, if you select something else, or if you have an account elsewhere, log into that account, grab your API key, post it in there, and it should be okay. I've got a Bitly account, so I select that. And here, this is a really cool option for LinkedIn. You can select if you want to do branding, you can select a static image here. So you can always, every time Twitter feed create a post, you can have your picture there or whatever it is, right? So for that, you select that option and then chuck the URL of your image in there. Or down here, this Facebook option here, what it does is, you can also, what it does is basically it's telling you that, when you select this option, title and description from above, right there, Facebook is going to select a thumbnail for you, okay? Or if you select title only or description only, then the post is only going to be a text only status update with no images. So it's just something good to know. Here, what's this? Post date. I always use post date. GUID is I think it's globally unique identification number or something like that. I mean, that's just another nerdy way of saying, it's just a way of identifying the post or the content. It's just the internet language. So if you select publish date, it's the same thing. Now here, post prefix, if you want to say something before the post, if you want to say something after the post. Here, the keyword section at the bottom here, like if you want to filter something out or filter something in, then just put it here. For example, anything with David Wood that comes up, I don't want that to show up, so this is what I'll do, right? So anything that says David or Wood is not gonna, it's not gonna be posted, okay? Or I can include it by going David Wood. Anything with Empower Network and David Wood, please post that for me, okay? So if you don't have any preference, just don't select that and continue. Okay, so in this step here, this is where you get to select which account you want your this Twitter feed to be posting on. So I'm going to select here my Twitter account. I've got here two already attached. If you don't have one, just click this button and sign in. It's very easy to do. So I want to click create service. As you can see here, Twitter --MeetTamDang services active. So that's really cool. Or you could do also Facebook. This will only work with a Facebook page. It won't work with a Facebook group. So if you've got a group and you want to use Twitter feed, you can't. Okay, here it is. Okay, so if you don't have a Facebook account connected yet, just click connect, and that's already done. So then you get to select one of your pages. Okay, so I select here TamDang and create service, and as you can see here, that's my page. Okay, and that's my Twitter account. Actually, let me show you this quickly again. You can also post to your wall as well. So let's have a look. You can select here, don't post to a page, post to a user wall. Okay, so or you can select here, this is my actual account, and that's gonna post to my wall. Wow, scary, I don't want to do that. None of my, see, I'm selecting this as an example for this, but I'm going to deactivate that because I don't want anything posted on my wall unless it's me doing it. Okay, so go ahead and click OK. Now go to dashboard, and we're done. Awesome. So let's check to see if it's there. Okay, so this is what we just created. Empower Network is the keyword, publishing to Twitter account and Facebook account, which is deactivated at the moment. Done. So that's all you got to do, and then now Twitter feed is going to post onto my Twitter account every 24 hours. It's going to post a content that's relating to Empower Network, right? And yeah, just to keep my That's going to keep my followers engaged, and it'll keep me always in their mind, on their mind, and every time they log into their Twitter account.